Hi ladies and gentlemen, this is the intro video for the week of March 23rd. Starting off this week, as normal on a Tuesday, we have a summative assessment to be completed by 6 p.m. today. And so we are in chapter 10. This is our fourth summative assessment. So you can see that item is right here in our module. Before we go on to new material, please make sure that you pick up your notebook. This will be our last notebook from the Carmel High School bookstore after school from 3:45 to 4:15. We will be using this after spring break, the first day that we come back from spring break. So please either get it this week or next week. If you are unable to get it, you must Canvas message me and let me know. Moving on to this week, our objective for this week is to be able to find the equation of a line that is tangent to the circle. And so we have notes and videos for sections 10.5 and 10.8. They use page 16 and 17 in your notebook, and they're approximately 17 minutes long. As far as your formative assessments this week, our practice and checking work, this video and notes with example problems goes with this formative assessment here on pages 18 and 19. These other two are our other two angle chases that you should be able to, using the properties that we have learned so far in chapter 10, complete those. I will run those like I did with last week's angle chase, in that when I see that you have submitted it, I will in the comments reply back to you with a link to a Google Doc that has the correct answers, but I do want you to try it on your own first. You'll notice that the answers are just simply the answers and not video answers, because there are multiple entry points in which you are able to begin these problems. So therefore I can't hit all the possible combinations of how someone might think through the problem. Okay. Like always, we have Zoom sessions. So today is Tuesday the 23rd. We have our Zoom sessions at 2 p.m. on Wednesday the 24th, on Thursday the 25th, and then on Monday the 29th. And do keep in mind that on Tuesday the 30th at 9 a.m. is when all of our formative assessments are due. If you're having any questions today during the summative assessment, please Canvas message me, and I hope you have a good day.